Yoga Mudrasana. This is also base of the Padmasana, but little different, not much difficult, easy only. So we will begin. Yoga Mudrasana. Straight. 1, 2, 3. Behind your body, you have to hold the hand like this behind your back, like this. Straight. 4. Take your chin up and go very slowly down and try to touch your forehead to the tiles. Come up. Then open. In this Yoga Mudrasana, not compulsory to touch your forehead to the ground level, but try to go down. Wherever you can reach, go and steady there. If you can reach here only, no problem, but steady there. But don't do swinging. Don't do swinging. This is not allowed in this yogasana. You have to one time only go down. Wherever you can reach, there you have to hold. But see that everyday practice, day by day practice, you shall able to go down and down and down. You know this asana give flexibility to your back, to holding when legs are here, to holding your stomach inside and hold your head or your back down, at least for the 1 minute. Give flexibility, give exercise to your full back.
On our list is gooseberry. Gooseberry, also known as amla in India, is a very rich source of vitamin C. Amla is known to boost immunity by increasing the body's white blood cell counts and helps to prevent viral infections like the flu. Additionally, it also helps in absorbing calcium and iron from other foods. It improves digestive health, it eases cough and balances the stomach's acid levels. Whether eaten raw, juiced or powdered, it is available in pickles, jams, dips and spreads also. According to a Miami-based weight management expert, Dr. Georgia Kelly, amla juice can be taken as a powerful home remedy to treat cough and flu as well as mouth ulcers. 2 teaspoons of amla juice with equal portions of honey consumed every day can help a great deal in boosting your immunity. Regular consumption of amla juice helps in reducing cholesterol levels. It is also helpful in managing ailments like asthma and diabetes. Dr. Ashutosh Gautam says that the alkaline nature of amla helps in clearing the urinary system also and strengthening the digestive system as well. The number 2 on our list is neem. Neem is inexpensive and a wonderful way to improve immune health without worrying about the side effects. Neem is a medicinal product derived from the neem tree, which grows in hot climates. In India, neem is considered a pharmacy unto itself. Neem can help with all kinds of skin diseases including acne, psoriasis and eczema. Neem is antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral. The best way to have it, crush some neem leaves into a glass of water, ignore the taste and gulp it. Turmeric is pretty much the star of the Indian spice box when it comes to health. Most of its immune boosting properties come from curcumin, a compound it contains that has strong anti-inflammatory effects. It shows a role in prevention of pathogenesis due to its effectiveness as a scavenger of reactive oxygen species. The effective anti-cancer property of curcumin is attributed to its antioxidant effect that controls DNA damage and free radical-mediated lipid peroxidation. Turmeric is said to help prevent the flu and even heart disease. It improves digestion and soothes a sore throat. The best way to have it is in hot milk with some crushed almonds. The number 4 traditionally used food that helps to boost the immune system is black pepper. Black pepper, also known as Piper nigrum, is an important healthy food owing to its antioxidant, antimicrobial, and gastroprotective effects. Piperine, the active compound in the spice, is high in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that cleanse the body of harmful toxins. The last traditional food on our list is known by different names in different countries. In India, we call the fruit jamun or black plum. This fruit is liked by many for its unique taste, but beyond that, the fruit has immense health benefits. It purifies the blood, helps with indigestion, controls blood pressure, and regulates blood sugar levels. It boosts the immune system and reduces the incidences of fever, cold, and cough. Apart from the above, jamun is also known to promote liver health. It can help cure sore throats. It is also known for promoting bone health, among others.